Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! It's another day. 7:25 na ng umaga dito. So, medyo maaga tayong nagising. Maaga tayong magsimula kasi madami talaga akong gagawin ngayon. But anyway, before that, magbe-breakfast tayo. Ano ba yan? Uy, merong langaw. Summer na kasi dito. Kaya ayun, pasensyahan nyo na kung may napapansin kayo na may langaw dito sa bahay. Meron tayong tirang pork. And meron tayong sitaw dito. So, ang plano ko, magsisinigang ako. Ano sa tingin nyo? Lalagyan ko yung... Meron kasi tayong cauliflower dito at carrots. Ano sa tingin niyo? Pwede kaya ang sinigang lagyan ng cauliflower at carrots? I'm just using what I have in the fridge kasi sayang naman kung hindi gamitin, di ba? Kasi kung hindi gagamitin, mabubulok sila at masasayang. So, papasensyahan nyo na. Yung sinigang ko, iba sa sinigang niyo. Si Mr. kumakain naman siya ng sinigang. So, yung leftover nito, hapunan niya for tonight. Wala, ewan ko lang. Nilalagyan ba ang sinigang ng sibuyas? Parang hindi. Yung utak ko hindi pa masyadong gumagana. Sensyahan niyo na mga palangga. Well, nahiwa ko na. So, ilalagay ko na lang yan. Yung sinigang natin, ibang-iba talaga. I will use all the string beans, mga palangga. Yan naman, hiwain natin to. Hindi ko pa na-check actually kung meron ba tayong sinigang mix. Kasi kung wala, nako, patay tayo. I hope meron. Ipapa-brown ko na yung pork natin. Brown na yung baboy natin, karning baboy. So, mag-a-add ako ng fish sauce. Tansya-tansya na lang. Then, mag-a-add tayo ng water. Then, i-add ko yung sibuyas. Mapasensyahan nyo na talaga yung sinigang natin parang nilaga. Hintayin natin kumulo. So, yung rice natin mga palangga, ito na siya. And, yung sinigang natin, ilalagay ko na yung veggies natin. Yan. And put the lid back.
A few minutes later.
Ilalagay ko na to sinigang mix. Masarap sana to, no? Pag may gabi tayo. Pero kaso, wala pa talaga ako nakikita ditong gabi, mga palangga. Kahit sa oriental shop na pinupuntahan namin, wala akong nakikitang gabi. Baka meron silang gabi, pero pag pumupunta kami, wala or naubusan sila. So, but, namimiss ko na talaga yung mga pagkain probinsya talaga. Kailangan nating suportahan yung ating orchids. Kasi it's leaning this way kasi. Sandali lang ha. Meron akong stick dito. Yan siya mga palangga. Ang daming bulaklak. Ang ganda, ganda tingnan. Ito naman, kailangan nating ayusin kasi yung stick na kinuha ko, na nilagay dyan, that stick is from here. Yan. At least namulaklak siya ba? Ito, wala pa talagang tumutubo. I hope mamulaklak to ulit. Luto na yung sinigang natin. Luto na yung sinigang natin mga palangga. Kaya ayun, kakain na tayo. I bet si Mr. matutuwa nito. Kasi matagal-tagal na kaming hindi nakapagsigang. Pero ang tanong, magustuhan kaya niya na yung sigang natin kulang-kulang siya sa ingredients ba? Pero tinikman ko kanina, it is like sinigang naman. So that's the most important thing. So ito na siya mga palangga. Ito na yung finished product. Yan. Sinigang na baboy na mukhang nilaga. So kain muna tayo. We're just gonna go to the workshop and help Mr. I just need to do some punching. Alam niyo naman kung ano yung punching kasi few times pinakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung punching. Nagpa-punch ka ba? Metal and then nilalagyan mo siya ng butas. Hello! I'm here! Yan na, it's all set up.
It's all set.
Yan.
And then once you've done one end, right, when you've done them, right, if you do the stack of 10, right, and when you
Stack
do
of
that,
10.
pick it up,
Yeah?
turn it around and put it that way so the little hole's facing you.
Okay.
You've got to change this to a big hole.
Okay.
On that end, yeah? It's just that it's easier for you. So you know that's what, don't get to oil, everything is set.
Okay. Got it. That's it. I'm done. I've earned 10 pounds.
Payment will be made in kind.
Many hours later.
4:05 na dito ng hapon mga palangga. So, iniinit ko lang yung sabaw natin, yung ating sinigang. And then, once na mainit na siya, iinitin ko din yung ating rice. Honey! I will not say anything mga palangga. Kung mahalata ba ni Mr. na may kulang yung mga ingredients. Tingnan nyo si Pipa, oh. She's so determined to get the dandelion roots.
Really?
Hinuhukay talaga niya. Yes?
How do you copy on this?
Is it good, Pipa? Tingnan niyo yan. Pipa! Aha! Tingnan niyo yan mga palangga. Kakapanganak pa lang ng baka. Ah, dinidilaan niya yung calf niya. Come on, get up. I think mga palangga looking sa puting baka, buntis din yan ba kasi I don't know if you can see it pero yung dede ng baka ba sobrang sobrang laki. It looks like there's plenty of milk.
It's alive.
Yeah, it's alive. It's trying to move. Mga palangga, are you ready? So, meron tayong kulendar dito. Kasi sabi ni Mr., meron siyang mga nakitang hinog na strawberry. So, kung madami-dami yung ma-harvest natin. So, ito yung parang first ever harvest of the season. Tingnan nga natin. 2 days kasi na hindi ako nakalapit dito. Not a lot, hon.
Yeah.
There.
What's this one? What's this one?
Dito, mga palangga.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's on this. Is it 2 there?
1. No, 1.
Just 1.
Yan.
What about this one? And this
The other one as
What
well.
about this one? Not quite, or really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yan lang. That's it.
No, there's some in the other bed, darling. Some in the other bed. Look at all the runners coming in.
Yeah.
Oh, they need another day.
I think they need another day, sweet.
That's a perfect strawberry. Look, that's a perfect shaped strawberry.
Yeah.
What about that one there? Oh yeah.
Where?
There, under that leaf.
Oh, yeah.
Great big ginormous one. What's this one? Oh, that's not far off.
And oh.
We've got enough to have a little bit of ice cream there. I think it's all on the other side.
They're starting, yeah. They're starting to come
And then
slowly.
they'll come like Billy.
Mm.
That's not ready, that one.
This is it only.
Yeah?
They're not ready.
What's this one? Oh,
We need to check.
no plum in there, is there?
No plums now. Yeah.
I thought these have done that, haven't they? That
Nothing.
one's done, hasn't it? Yeah, there's plums all round here, wasn't there?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know, hon. No plum.
Look. It's back to life.
Yeah, I'm so glad. Tingnan niyo yung grapes natin. Yes, Phoebe. See, yung grapes natin. It's come to
these.
life.
Get them off. Hey, come out.
Marami na siyang dahon.
Okay, it's back to life.
So anyway, ito na yung parang first harvest natin. Kukunti lang. Hindi pa talaga sila ready.
We just had bad luck, didn't we? We had all that bluff and the apples on everything.
Yeah, very bad luck, isn't it?
That wind, that cold wind, wasn't it?
Mm.
Just burnt the leaves though, must you? You know, we could have had...
Loads of apple.
Was it this one had loads? Was it this?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Not a beano, no. No, what is it?
Hey, I can see a plum.
Where?
There.
Oh, we've got a plum.
One. Oh.
There is hope.
There is hope.
Just in Wasps will get it, won't they? Any more?
Yeah, I think that's all. Only one plum in one tree.
Amazing.
Sobrang excited pa naman ako, mga palangga. Akala ko talaga mapupuno yung calendar natin. Pero never mind. Marami pa naman na hilaw na strawberry. Hindi pa talaga sila ready. So, next time, baka swertihin tayo na marami yung haharvestin natin. Hello! Good morning! Good morning, mga palangga. Meron ako ditong dirty laundry para mag-laundry tayo. So, papasensya nyo na yung mata ko. Eyeliner yan from last night kasi 14 hours ako last night and pagkatapos ng trabaho, naligo, sobrang pagod kaya ayun yung yung eye area, hindi ko talaga siya masyadong nalinis ng maayos. At ang sakit ng ilong ko dito. O yung sinus area ba? Sakit dito. I'm sniffling. The pollen count is high kasi kaya ayun. I need to take anti-allergy, antihistamine tablets. So ngayon, nagluluto ako ng rice mga palangga. Para magka-energy tayo. Today is weekend, so mag-grocery kami mamaya. Mga evening time na siguro. And at the moment, si John naglilinis ng sasakyan niya. Nandoon. So, ito mga palangga. Ito na yung agahan natin. Kain muna ako ha. So, ito na mga palangga. Nakapag-ayos-ayusan ng konti. So, mag-hover muna ako sa sasakyan ko. And then, after nito, pupunta tayo sa ating garden para mag-pick ng mga strawberries. Kasi sabi ni Mr. may mga ilang na hinog daw. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Han, where is the key? Kasi matagal-tagal na din tong hindi nalinisan yung sasakyan ko. Sweetheart!
Oh.
Where's the key?
Oh.
The key! Thank you for washing my car. And tinulungan din niya ako maglinis ang sasakyan ko. So, medyo malinis-linis na siya. So, ayun na. Tapos na si Mr. Kausap niya yung kaibigan niya kasi magki-clip pigeon shooting na naman sila. Masakit ang ilong ko. Ngiti ko, na-i-excite ako kasi may mga nakikita talaga akong hinog na strawberry. Ilalagay ko kayo dito sa fence. Nakalimutan kong mag-change ng wheelie boots. Yung lupa medyo soft siya. And dump. Here, this one. So, ito siya mga palangga. Yan. Marami pang mga nag-i-start na mahinog pero hindi pa sila ready. So, pupunta tayo sa isang bed. See, tingnan nyo to. Wow! And then, dito rin mga palangga. Yan. See? Hindi pa to siya masyadong ready. Ganito yung ibang bed. Kasi meron pa siyang green. Hindi pa talaga siya masyadong hinog. Ito, hinog na yan. So, ito mga loves. Ito rin, oh. Hindi pa sila masyadong ready. Yan. So, baka bukas ready na yan. Ito. Sobrang hinog niya. Sus, nako mga palangga. Nandito pa lang kayo. Matutuwa talaga kayo ba? siya mga palangga. So ito talaga yung parang first ever harvest natin. Although ito na yung parang pang second na pick natin kasi last time they're not ready. Kaya ito siya. Yan, marami pa talagang nag-i-start na mahinog pero hindi pa siya ready. Paulit-ulit na lang ako ba? Are they growing? Oh, mga palangga, update for our lettuce.
Yeah, they're growing.
They're growing.
Yeah, we've got cucumbers. Look.
Do we got cucumbers?
There's one anyway in a minute. There's one.
Good.
Oh, we need to fasten this up, don't we?
Tomatoes are growing, mga palangga,
Yeah,
oh.
start feeding them now.
Yeah.
Start shooting. Start shooting. Put some there. You all like Billy will start shooting.
Hindi na ako makapaghintay mga palangga, kaya ito try natin. Isa lang. Yan. Hugasan muna. Hindi alam ni Mr. Nothing can beat a homegrown strawberry mga palangga. First bite, oy. First bite kayo. Yan. First bite mga palangga. Oh, ang tamis. That's the best. I'm not just saying that this is the best, but you know, alam mo na pinaghirapan mo, the best talaga. And matamis talaga siya. Worth it yung pagod natin sa kakawiding ng ating old strawberry bed. Kasi struggle talaga yung pagwiwid kasi sobrang kapal ng damo. But yeah, it's worth it. Happy ako mga palangga. Sobrang happy ako kasi you know, nagbunga. Nagbunga yung tiyaga natin. So ito siya. Yan. So tatakpan ko lang. Yan. Diyan, nanonood ng TV. Manonood lang kami ng TV.
Hi guys. To show you what happens to my darling wife when she's been on 14 hours the next day. I'll just show you.
I think that's a good offer.
Okay, so are we gonna do a deal on that?
Let's do it.
All right.
Well, let's
$200.
take on that. Now, I have